Hello Year 5, this is week 6 of our Year 5 Maths for Yellow Group on Tuesday. We're going to have a look again at our times tables at the start of this session. So we're going to actually explore today our 4 times table. And what I'd like us to do to begin with is just have a look this time at a strategy which really helps us to learn these facts for our 4 times table. And it's actually doubling and doubling again. So whatever number you multiply by 4, you can actually double it and double it again, and that will give you 4 lots of the number. So let's have a little look at that on the number link board today. So we're going to begin actually with 4 times 4. So we're going to take our number 4, and we know that when we double 4, it gives us 8. And then if we double 8, that's going to give us 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. So you've got 2 lots of 4, double it to give us 4 lots of 4, which is 16. Having a look at another one then, 1 lot of 6 we know is 6, so double 6 will be 12, and double 12 is 24. So 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. And 9 multiplied by 4, we've got our 9, so double 9 is 18. Double 18 is 36. So you're going to use that same website that you were using yesterday, and I'd like you to again choose whether you want to play hit the button or hit the question. And today I'd like you to work through your 4 times table and have a practice at using that. And again, the web link should be at the top of your maths pack for this session. Our main session then, we're going to continue to work on adding and subtracting fractions today. We're actually going to now try putting our knowledge and understanding really into the context of problems. So how will we be successful today? Well, we're going to be wanting to use bar models again to help us represent fractions, and also to help us identify the value of the denominator and the numerators in the fraction once again. So you might want to pause the video now as a little recap to try these 2 calculations out. 2 twelfths add 3 twelfths, and 7/8 subtract 3/8. So I'll give you a moment now if you'd like to pause the video. Okay, and let's have a little look at the answers for those. So we had 2 twelfths add 3 twelfths is 5 twelfths, and 7/8 subtract 3/8 is 4/8. Also an equivalent would be a half. So let's have a look and remind ourselves of the rules again. When I add fractions with the same denominator, I add the numerators, and the denominators, that bottom number of the fraction, stays the same. When I subtract fractions with the same denominator, I subtract the numerators and the denominator stays the same. So just remembering that rule for today. So let's have a look at what we're going to be doing then. I add 2 fractions together and I get the answer of 5/6. What could the 2 fractions be? Now sometimes questions like this can seem a little bit tricky because they are asking us actually a question where there's more than one answer which would be correct. So I'd like you to pause the video now and think, what 2 fractions, and you might want to use the bar model as well to help you, what 2 fractions could you add together to make 5/6? So I'm going to show you an example of my idea. So I need to make sure I've got the right colours on, so that should work. So my first fraction, I'm going to say, is 2/6. So 2/6 is my first fraction, and then my second fraction, to give the answer of 5/6, is obviously going to need to be 3/6. So my suggestion might be, well, 2/6 add 3/6 makes 5/6. So let's have a look, see if your example was there, and you might find the fractions were round the other way, but that's absolutely fine. So we've got 0/6 and 5 add 5/6, 1/6 add 4/6, like I say, you could have it the other way round, and 2/6 add 3/6. So there may be a question like this today where actually there is more than one answer, so look out for those. And the second type of activity you're going to have today is going to be to apply your knowledge now to problems. So let's have a look at this problem. Anna and Ella are sharing a pizza. If Anna eats 4/7 of the pizza and Ella eats 2/7 of the pizza, how much do they eat all together? So can you see in my bar model here, I've represented what Anna has eaten in blue. Here's her 4 out of 7, and Ella has eaten 2 out of 7. So 4/7 add 2/7 is equal to 6/7. So altogether they have eaten 6/7. As an extra challenge then, how much is left? Can we see here what fraction of our bar is left? And the answer would be 1/7. So we can actually go a step further, do a second step to the problem, using that bar model to show us that what's left over is 1/7. So you're going to have a go at calculations and problems like this today, and we look forward to seeing how you get on. Thank you.